Reciprocal equations. In this quadratic equations we'll discuss now. So what's the meaning of reciprocal equations first? Okay, I wrote here an equation of the form ax power 4 plus bx cube plus ax square plus bx plus a is equal to 0. So if you notice this, one thing you can observe, x power 4 coefficient is a and constant is also a only here, and x cube coefficient is b and x coefficient is also b, means starting and endings are same, middle is the one more different. Okay, like these conditions how we can solve. So let me take the question first, then we can see how to find out. Solve x power 4 minus 2x cube, okay, plus 2x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. First of all, we should check is it in a reciprocal equation or not. So when you notice this, x power 4 coefficient is 1, okay, there is nothing, means it's 1, and constant is 1, and x cube coefficient and x coefficient is same, minus 2 and minus 2, middle is different. Okay, when this data is given, now we can continue directly. That is, the first step is the total equation we should divide by x square. I'm converting into quadratic equation type. Now just divide entire equation, divide by x square throughout equation, then this will become x square, x power 4 by x square is x square, minus 2x cube by x square is 2x, plus 2 it is, because 2x square by x square is 2, minus 2 by x, 2x by x square, 2 by x, plus 1 by x square is equal to 0. Okay, the first step is we should divide by x square both the sides. Now we can take in order, that is first and last terms we'll write together, x square plus 1 by x square, first and last terms together, and next to 2 this one, and from this minus 2 take common, that is x plus 1 by x, take minus 2 common, x plus 1 by x, plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, remaining is plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is one order. Now let us try to solve from this. So let x plus 1 by x is a, put in the place of x plus 1 by x is equals to a, because I am going to make it in some quadratic equation type. If it is x plus 1 by x is equal to a, then x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, from this x plus 1 by x whole square, that is a square, squaring on both sides, x plus 1 by x whole square is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 formula, because 2 into x into 1 by x and 1 by x cancel, a square. Okay, from this x square plus 1 by x square is equals to a square minus 2. These values we can substitute in this, in the given, this also we substitute there, then that becomes a square minus 2, that is x square plus 1 by x square, or a square minus 2, minus 2 into this entire x plus 1 by x is a, plus 2 is equal to 0. This becomes quadratic equation and you can simplify, that is a square minus 2a, a square minus 2a getting, and minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, a square minus 2a is equal to 0. From this take a common, a minus 2 is equal to 0. Two cases, therefore a is equal to 0 or a minus 2 is equal to 0. From this a is equals to 2. So what is a actually? That is x plus 1 by x, right? A value is this, x plus 1 by x. You can substitute now. From this a is equal to 0, so x plus 1 by x is equal to 0. Cross LCM, x square plus 1 is equal to 0, because divide by x, then x square plus 1 is equal to 0, 0 into x is 0. X square is equal to minus 1, x is equal to square root of minus 1, that is plus or minus square root of minus 1, plus or minus square root of minus 1, that is two answers. And one more from next equation, that is a is equals to 2, right? A is x plus 1 by x is equals to 2. Again do this simplification. X square plus 1 by x is equals to 2. From this, x square plus 1 is equals to 2x. X square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Let us factorize this. X square minus x, splitting the middle term I am using. Take x common, x minus 1 minus 1 common, x minus 1. So finally x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0, because x minus 1 and x minus 1 2 are. From this, x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equals to 1. So 1 is 2 times, so 1 comma 1. So therefore the roots of equation. Here we got 1 2 times. Okay, x minus 1, same one more x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, or one more x minus 1 is equal to 0, right? 2 I wrote. So from this, roots are 1 comma 1 and plus square root of minus 1 and minus square root of minus 1. Right? These are the roots of this equation. Degree of this equation is 4, right? So we got the 4 roots. This is the reciprocal equation only in this such cases, like middle coefficients are same only. Only in this type order only we can use this instead of remaining. Right? This is the reciprocal equations in this. Now let us see some conditions based on the common roots. Okay, when the roots are common, what are the conditions we can apply? Let's discuss now.